From the Piper Cub to the Beechcraft Baron, Continental Motors has been powering the GA fleet for decades. The company has been here in Mobile, Alabama for more than 75 years, and not much has changed until now.
We're breaking ground this week on the Blue Marlin project. The Blue Marlin project is the code name for our new facility, where we are transforming aviation engines and bringing it into the latest technology for manufacturing.
Continental has been making engines one at a time in a manufacturing process that is dated and time-consuming.
We haven't been as efficient as we need to be going into the future. So while we've improved all of our technology, our manufacturing has been not as up to date.
The Continental plant sprawls across 11 different buildings, eating up nearly 500,000 square feet. Each engine has to be driven between those many buildings, no matter the weather in this Gulf location.
We're going to be getting to one building, and that's going to be about 275,000 square feet.
So why call it Blue Marlin?
Blue Marlin is a strong sport fish, and we have a lot of fishermen in the area, so we like to have a little fun and use project code names that mean something to us on an individual basis.
Manufacturing will begin in the new factory here in 2019. Curious to see how your Continental engine was made? Stop by for a visit.
We love sharing what we do for people's engines here, so make your inquiry and we'd be happy to give you a tour of our facility.
Julie Walker, AOPA Live.